Hi. Hi there. How you doing? How's it going? Welcome to another vlog. I'm here in the studio. I'm doing an intro because this vlog is a very special vlog. It is about my first manga ever called RESENTER. And if you don't know what RESENTER is, let me just give you the rundown. First of all, hi, how's it going? My name is gigimurakami, and I am a horror manga artist and illustrator. And my first ever horror manga was RESENTER. Is RESENTER, because I'm still working on it. This is this is the origin of me working on it. I did vlog some of it, not a ton. I did get some shots of my thought process going into RESENTER, working on some of the pages, trying to figure out what my process is. A lot of questions that I get about making manga is, what is my process? And I decided to vlog it. RESENTER was the first time I was ever doing it. This might be a bit cringe, as the kids say. So yes, enjoy. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something, and go read RESENTER.
Whether a man or woman, want it or you got it. It's a divine affection. Yeah, you can't live without it. Such a lover, girl. I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. That skill from my mama, and I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna. A real lover, girl. I'll give you all the feels.
Okay, it is almost 3:30, Wednesday, October 5th. I am a little behind with some RESENTER stuff. I'm also behind with this vlog, but first of all, I'm going to be releasing chapter 1, but I'm breaking it in 2 parts. Chapter 1 was originally about 64 pages. I'm going to break it up until about 30 or 32 pages. I thought I was done with everything and I just needed to get a few editing stuff done. I started editing some of the pages and I realized I have a lot more work to do. I decided I'm gonna do some photo editing for the backgrounds in this story, and the original background that I had was not a good one. Hold on. Here's what that first page looked like. It's not good. It's not good. It doesn't look good. I did so much doing some small renders for the page to try to give it a little bit of an analog touch to it.
Didn't work out.
So I figured out how to do it better. Also, by the way, all the photos that I'm using are copyright-free photos. This first attempt was done over the summer. Then I figured out a better way to do this. And I also found more sources for the photos. Here's second attempt. And then I realized that for this technique, how I was gonna, the mangaka that I had seen use this technique was also doing some background painting to kind of give a little bit of texture to these photos. So this is the last attempt. I think it looks really good. It's leaps and bounds better than what I was trying to do with that first picture. So what we're gonna do today, I have to add some blacks to this so that I can keep that analog feel so that it doesn't look too jarring for the rest of the other pages. And this particular place actually has cobblestone floors in the forest. So I need to add that.
I almost gave myself a pepper cut.
I need to add that here, add the cobblestone. And I'm gonna do all that by hand. I'm gonna tighten up some of the blacks and make it not look so digital. So wish me luck.
Manner that I brought up in the beginning of the video where I talked about
Okay, so I wanted to come on here on a voiceover just to sort of explain more of my process. So I actually am using a technique from the manga artist Tsutomu Takahashi, which is basically you get a photo, you strip off the color and the values, and it's just the lines. And then you build the photo back up by hand with your own lines. Ainu Asano also does this, but yeah. Tsutomu Takahashi works without assistance, and it's the same way that I'm working, so that was what I decided to use.
Whether a man or woman, want it or you got it. It's a divine affection. Yeah. my mama. And I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna. A real lover girl, I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. And all this film energy. When I feel safe, when I feel heard, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. When I feel safe, when I feel heard, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. Feel energy. Don't let it hear me. Feel energy.
So something that I'm realizing with this technique is that for forests, it is a little tricky to kind of like differentiate the leaves. That was something that I had some trouble with during this process using this technique. But I'm still using this technique currently, and something that I'm realizing is like it doesn't have to be an exact copy of the photo. It's really just a base. It's not meant to be used like as an exact model of like what you have to replicate. So it's okay to like change things up and add shadows where you need to have the photo make sense. So yeah, it has been a long journey using this technique. I do like it. It's a lot of steps, but it's useful. If you want to learn how to do this, Tsutomu Takahashi has an episode on Manben where he breaks down how to use this technique. So here's some of the work that I did on the cover. And I actually have 2 videos coming that show more of my process on the cover, doing the inks and also doing the colors. And I colored this cover traditionally with Copic markers, so stay tuned for that. This cover was super fun to do. Something that I realized in hindsight though is that I made the cover too big. Okay, my phone turned off the lights, but yes, please go read RESENTER because I like it. I think you'll like it. And yeah, I'm still working on it and I'd like to know what you think. Okay, I don't know how to finish this off, but yeah, enjoy.